What you are watching right now is one of nature's most unique modes of transportation. But how does it work? Hello everyone, Lexi here with McWane Science Center and welcome to Sci Sparks. In today's episode, a sticky mystery. Just how does a sea star stay stuck? Stick around to find out. Usually, when we think of something sticking, we think of something sticky, like tape, glue, sticky hands. And it's true that we do see this in nature, be it spider webs, snail slime, or sundews. Looking at a sea star, it looks like the same sticky trick. Or is it? If you look closely, you can see little plunger-like appendages. These are tube feet. Sea stars have hundreds, sometimes thousands, of these tiny traveling tools. Now, that's a lot of moving parts, so let's look at it on a bigger scale. Tube feet are made of two important parts, the tube itself and a bulb at the top called the ampulla. When the ampulla is contracted, it forces water from inside the sea star out through the tube, making it extend. When the ampulla relaxes, it pulls in water from its surroundings and shortens the tube. Now, that shows us why the tubes are able to stretch and shrink. But how does that make them stick to things? This is a vacuum chamber. This machine gets rid of all of the air from inside this jar. Once there's no air inside, there's nothing to push against this surface, allowing it to create a seal and stick. The ampulla is like nature's little vacuum chamber. Thousands of tube feet go into making a staggering journey of about 6 inches a minute. Now that may seem slow to us, but for these little animals, it's perfect for finding food or weathering out rough currents. Thank you for watching this episode of Sci Sparks. To make sure that you don't miss any new episodes, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.